Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha narrates that during the illness preceding the passing away of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he instructed Hazrat Abu Bakr to lead the people in prayer. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha expressed her concern, stating that Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu had a tender-hearted nature, and he might not be able to control his tears during the prayer, causing distress to the people. However, the Prophet ﷺ insisted and said, "Tell Abu Bakr to lead the people in prayer." When I repeated my concern, the Prophet ﷺ reiterated the command, emphasizing that Abu Bakr should lead the people in prayer. This time the Prophet ﷺ added a comparison, saying, "You are like the woman who tried to tempt Joseph, peace be upon him." Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23550.